Here I have Nokia G11, and today I'm going to show you how to turn off front camera mirroring effect on this device. So first let's open camera, then just for an example I will take a photo with my front camera. So in order to turn off front camera mirroring, you tap here to access its settings, and here just disable mirror photos from front camera. And now let's take another photo with this feature disabled, and you can see that these photos are mirrored. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.